Hello, we're Group 13. Our software solution aims to aid food banks both during and after the COVID-19 crisis. The Trussell Trust has estimated 61% increase in the number of food parcels required from October to December 2020. With additional needs, such as respecting social distancing and supporting those self-isolating, our proposed system aims to make using and managing a food bank as easy as possible. Additionally, during the start of the pandemic, around half the people using food banks had never used them before, so it's important to ensure that accessing a food bank is as simple as possible for those unfamiliar with the process. The proposed system will operate as a web app, with different views for recipients, volunteers, managers, admins, and donors. Recipients will be able to enter referral codes to book a food parcel collection, as well as request it to be delivered if they are unable to travel. Volunteers will be able to use the system to sign on for shifts at their local food bank, whilst managers can view the volunteers for each shift, request more volunteers, approve new volunteers, update stock levels, and the food bank's wish list. Now, I'm going to show you some prototyped aspects of our software web app. So this is the homepage of our prototype, and we're going to take you through the scenario of someone requesting a food parcel. From this page, you can also access details for other information on additional support, such as citizens' advice and shelter. When the user clicks Get a Food Parcel, they'll be prompted to log in or create an account. Once they've done this, they're then taken to their dashboard, from which they can request a food parcel. They can then enter their referral code, dietary information, and search for a nearby food bank with the interactive Google Maps feature, and then click Make a Collection Request. After this, they can then book the date and time for their collection slot. They will then be redirected back to their dashboard, where they can now manage their booking. To apply to be a volunteer, the user can come to the volunteer application page, where there are text boxes for basic information, as well as reasons for applying. Once this has been filled in, they can click the Apply button, and from there, the application can be approved or denied by a manager. And now, we'll take you through the scenario of the driver volunteers starting a shift. When they log in, they'll be brought to their volunteer dashboard. They'll then click Start Deliveries, which will take them to a page showing a suggested delivery route, as well as any additional delivery information. Once the volunteer is ready, they can press Start Deliveries. There, they'll be taken to a page that lets them change the status of each delivery, as well as go back to the main route. This is the page that a donor will see. Food banks local to the donor are displayed on the map, with their respective wish lists, so donors can be more informed where their donation will have the maximum impact. They can then click Donate Here to arrange a donation slot. This is the screen a worker volunteer would see when they're assembling food parcels. Each food parcel has an ID and a list of the items required. Once the worker volunteer is making up a food parcel, they update its status to In Progress. Once they've finished making up the food parcel, they mark it as Prepared. By providing a cohesive system for managing a food bank and its operations, we hope to make the process of using a food bank for all users as simple as possible. Thank you for watching.